Is your tiny kitchen running out of space faster than you can organize it? Countertops crowded, cabinets overflowing, and somehow there's still never enough room? Well, today we're fixing that with smart kitchen organizers built specifically for small kitchens and tight countertops. From clever under-sink storage and fridge organizers to rotating pantry systems that maximize every inch, these Amazon finds are designed to turn cluttered kitchens into clean, efficient cooking zones. And if you want to grab any of them, all the product links are waiting for you down in the description below. Let's jump right in. Kicking things off with this pot lid organizer, a simple upgrade that finally solves one of the most annoying cabinet problems in small kitchens. This door-mounted rack turns unused cabinet door space into vertical storage for pot lids that normally pile up and crash down every time you open the cabinet. This stainless steel design keeps lids separated, visible, and easy to grab while freeing valuable shelf space for cookware and bowls. In tight kitchens, this hidden storage trick makes cabinets feel instantly bigger and far easier to manage daily. Most options typically cost around $10 to $20. Moving right into heavier cookware storage, this pots and pans organizer brings structure to cabinets that normally turn into stacked metal chaos. This adjustable rack lets skillets, lids, and pans stand upright instead of piling into unstable stacks that scratch surfaces and waste space. Up next is this pull-out trash can, a smart way to hide one of the bulkiest kitchen necessities. This under-cabinet system slides smoothly out when needed, then disappears neatly behind the cabinet door. This soft close slide design keeps operation quiet while preventing slamming during daily use. By moving the trash bin off the floor, this setup opens walking space and keeps the kitchen looking cleaner and more organized overall. Most versions typically cost around $70 to $130. Continuing with hidden cabinet storage, this undershelf hanging basket instantly creates an extra storage layer without tools or installation. This basket slides under an existing shelf, turning unused vertical air into practical storage for wraps, napkins, packets, or small pantry items. This simple design helps cabinets store more without becoming crowded or difficult to navigate. In compact kitchens where shelves fill quickly, this small addition helps every cabinet work more efficiently and stay organized. Most options typically cost around $10 to $18. Next comes this stackable water bottle organizer, designed to tame one of the most chaotic cabinet categories. This structured rack holds bottles horizontally so they stay separated instead of rolling around and knocking into each other. This stackable design uses vertical cabinet height to store more bottles without spreading clutter across shelves. For families with reusable bottles, tumblers, or sports flasks, this organizer keeps everything neat, visible, and easy to grab daily. Most options typically cost around $12 to $20. Meanwhile, inside the refrigerator, this pull-out fridge organizer helps stop small items from disappearing in the back of shelves. This drawer-style bin slides forward so snacks, fruits, or cheese stay visible and easy to access. This design reduces food waste by making items easier to see instead of letting them hide behind larger containers. In smaller refrigerators where shelf space is limited, this organizer helps keep everything grouped neatly and far easier to manage. Most versions typically cost around $8 to $18. And moving forward with a countertop helper, this stackable produce storage basket keeps fruits, vegetables, and snacks organized without spreading clutter across the kitchen. This layered basket design stacks vertically to store onions, potatoes, bread, or pantry snacks while using less counter space. This open airflow structure keeps produce visible while allowing proper ventilation for better freshness. For small kitchens with limited pantry storage, this creates practical organization without needing bulky cabinets or shelves. Most styles typically cost around $20 to $40. Quick pause. If something here is already making your life easier, you can find all the product links down in the description below. Now stepping into pantry organization, this rotating grain dispenser turns scattered food packets into one clean and efficient storage station. This 6-compartment design stores rice, lentils, beans, cereals, or snack grains while keeping everything sealed and clearly visible through this transparent body. This one-click release system dispenses the right amount quickly, making everyday cooking smoother and far less messy. In compact kitchens where cabinet space fills up fast, this single container replaces multiple bulky bags. Most options typically cost around $18 to $25. Up next comes this pull-out 2-tier organizer, built to solve the frustrating problem of deep cabinets where items disappear in the back. This sliding layered structure brings bottles, cleaners, or pantry goods forward instead of forcing you to dig through stacked containers. This tiered design also separates items vertically so everything stays visible and easy to reach. In tight kitchens where lower cabinets often become clutter traps, this upgrade makes storage far more accessible and organized every day. Most versions typically cost around $20 to $35. Shifting back to the countertop, this double-layer bread box keeps bakery items neatly stored while adding a warm, natural look to the kitchen. This 2-tier bamboo design stores bread, buns, pastries, or snack packs while using vertical space instead of spreading across this counter. This clear window keeps everything visible without constantly opening this lid. With an added tool holder on the side, it also helps organize small utensils in kitchens where drawer space stays limited. Most versions typically cost around $40 to $65. Moving right into drawer efficiency, this expandable silverware organizer instantly turns chaotic utensil drawers into neatly divided sections. This adjustable design expands to fit different drawer widths while creating dedicated spaces for forks, spoons, knives, and cooking tools. This layout keeps utensils easy to see and quick to grab during busy meal prep or cleanup. In smaller kitchens where drawer space stays limited, this organizer helps maximize every inch while keeping everything tidy and organized. Most styles typically cost around $20 to $40. Now bringing order to refrigerator beverages, this soda can organizer and dispenser keeps cans neatly stacked instead of rolling around loose on fridge shelves. This gravity-fed design automatically moves the next can forward when one is removed, keeping rows tidy and accessible. This structure also frees valuable shelf space while making drinks easier to grab quickly during busy moments. For compact refrigerators where every inch counts, this small organizer helps keep beverages contained and organized. Most options typically cost around $10 to $30. Next comes a fridge upgrade that keeps eggs organized and easy to reach. This rolling egg holder stores eggs in a compact vertical tray that automatically rolls the next egg forward when one is taken. This stackable design uses refrigerator depth more efficiently than bulky cartons that waste valuable shelf space. This also keeps eggs visible and grouped neatly instead of scattered across shelves. In smaller refrigerators where space disappears quickly, this organizer helps keep things tidy and easy to manage. Most versions typically cost around $8 to $15. Let's keep the kitchen flowing with this spice carousel, a compact rotating station that keeps seasonings organized and easy to access. This rotating rack holds multiple spices in one small footprint, eliminating scattered jars across cabinets and countertops. This spinning design lets you find the exact seasoning quickly while cooking meals. For kitchens with limited storage, grouping spices in one rotating unit keeps this cooking area far more efficient and tidy. Most carousel sets typically cost around $15 to $25. Meanwhile, inside pantry shelves, this 360-degree pantry organizer brings hidden items back into view. This two-tier rotating platform holds canned foods, jars, sauces, or condiments, while allowing everything to spin smoothly for quick access. This eliminates blind spots where items normally get lost behind other containers. In compact kitchens where pantry space stays limited, visibility alone can make storage feel twice as functional. Most versions typically cost around $30 to $45. Now coming in with another versatile organizer, this wooden turntable adds quick rotating access to cabinets, countertops, refrigerators, or pantry shelves. This spinning platform keeps oils, sauces, condiments, or spice jars grouped together in one contained space. This simple rotation makes items easier to reach without digging through crowded shelves. For smaller kitchens where storage needs to stay flexible, this organizer works across multiple areas while keeping clutter under control. Most wooden styles typically cost around $10 to $20. And finally, wrapping things up with a smart vertical storage trick, this adhesive cabinet organizer turns empty cabinet door space into extra storage instantly. This wall-mounted bin attaches without drilling, making it perfect for renters or quick kitchen upgrades. This design stores wraps, packets, sponges, or small pantry items while freeing valuable shelf space inside cabinets. In tiny kitchens where cabinets fill quickly, using door space can dramatically improve overall organization. Most versions typically cost around $10 to $25. And that wraps up these smart kitchen organizers designed to help tiny kitchens feel cleaner, more efficient, and easier to manage every day. From clever cabinet storage to space-saving fridge and countertop solutions, these simple upgrades make a big difference in small kitchens. If any of these organizers caught your eye, you'll find all the product links waiting down in the description below. And for more smart home finds like these, don't forget to subscribe.